Hey y'all, this is Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the September 2021 Planything subscription. This month's box is titled Autumn Florals, as you can see here on the menu card. I'm excited. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get into this thing. I look forward to my Planything boxes, y'all. Ooh! Yes, child. Ooh, come on out of there. Alright, that's everything. So, oh my goodness. So much. Let's stick this over here. And, ooh, stickers. Washi. Okay, alright. So, first things first, we got a clear stamp. Now, I just recently got into stamping and I have not experimented with clear stamps yet, but this is super cute. Okay, so that's the adhesive side. Okay, cool. So, we got this clear pumpkin stamp. Next thing, we got these two rolls of washi that I'm excited about. Y'all, I hate watching other people get their boxes before me. Because by the time I get it, I've, got all these spreads in my head, and then, I don't know, I'm being a brat. So, we got these two rolls of washi. We have the floral, and we have the stripe. Loving the color scheme this month. So let me roll these out so you guys can see them. Ooh, y'all, look at that. I love it. Give me the floral vibes. So y'all, these are the two washi rolls in this month's box. Love. Can't wait to use these. And then we have our pen for the month. This is a crystal gel pen. As you can see, it's everything orange this month. And it is rose gold hardware. It is a gel pen. Are you gonna let me in? There we go. And obviously, Mr. Aiden is here watching me record today. So this is our pen for the month. Let's jump into this. So I believe this is a dot grid notebook. Let's see. One dotted notebook, so dot grid, yes. So we have the stripes, our truck full of our autumn goodies, pumpkins, leaves, and the like. And yes, this is a dot grid notebook. I believe this is a B6 size. This looks like the same size as the notebooks that come from Simply Gilded. So we have this dot grid notebook. Next item up are our stickers. Say stickers. So let's start with these white matte stickers. Oh, is it upside down? They're upside down. Of course they are. Y'all, I'm loving this maroon color here. So pretty. Leaves. We've got some more boxes. And then these are clear glossy stickers. Our gourds and leaves, some florals and some florals. Cute, cute, cute. So these are our stickers for the month. The next item up, y'all, I have been waiting and waiting on this. We have a planner cover. So obviously it's a traveler's notebook style design. We have this very, very bright orange elastic here. Ooh, look at the inside. Look at that, Aiden.
Wow.
Wow. And we have 6 strings in here, 2 pockets on the side, and this striped interior is giving me life. So I believe this is probably going to fit a mini size. I do not have my mini. Yes, I do. I do not. Yes, I do. So here is my mini. This is my Nautique. Let's see. Obviously, well, you might just slide it in here. Oh, I don't know how it's going to fit with these big old rings on here, though. No. So definitely not going to fit with these huge rings. I do have 1.65 inch rings in here. Maybe you could probably get away with mini rings, or even just regular classic rings. You might be able to get away with a mini in here, but still super cute. This planner cover. And last but not least, we have our papers for the month. So we got 3 paper sheets. Excuse me. 2 paper sheets. Come on out of there. So we got 2 sheets of cardstock. They are double-sided. So we have our truck with the gourds and the florals on the back. And then we have my stripe that I love so much with the leaves on it, and another set of florals. So you guys, y'all know I say this every month now, and y'all don't go and run and buy these stickers. Remember that I told you, Kinah told you, if you have not subscribed to Planything yet, all I can say is you need to subscribe, and then you need to go and join her Patreon. Because that's where all the jewels drop, okay? That's where it's all at. So here is my September 2021 Planything subscription box. It is titled Autumn Florals. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.